What's up guys, and it's a OnePlus time. We have so much thing to talk about in this video. Finally, a flagship grade cameras with the OnePlus 8 series, an official prototype of OnePlus 8 Lite leaked by CEO himself, and a possible early release. So first and foremost, talking about the cameras. So as we know, OnePlus 7 Pro was the great phone of OnePlus. Its design, display, smoothness, performance, speed, everything was just insanely amazing. But in a single area where that phone lags was the camera. And yeah, it's a universal truth now that OnePlus phone haven't proved yet to be the flagship grade camera, although it was not needed at the time, since OnePlus phones already cost around $300 less than the flagships of Samsung, Huawei or Apple. But the difference between Samsung, Huawei or Apple's flagship and OnePlus flagship is getting closer and closer, and this year there will be very less difference between the prices of OnePlus flagship and Samsung's flagship. So yeah, OnePlus has to do something, and specifically this is the year of cameras. We are going to see a huge camera jump from Samsung with their Galaxy S20 Ultra 108 megapixel main camera sensor. Huawei is also preparing their P40 Pro with some new advancements, some new technologies in the camera, and Apple is also planning to launch the first iPhone with quad cameras this year. And speaking of the OnePlus, according to Ice Universe on Weibo, yeah, he didn't tweet out on Twitter but posted on Weibo. Maybe because it's not 100% confirmed, or maybe it is just for Chinese. So the post mentions that just like every other company going for a custom tailored version of their camera sensor, like Xiaomi already started using the 108 megapixel sensor by Samsung, and the 108 megapixel sensor that Samsung will use in the S20 Ultra is also the custom tailored version which uses nano-cell instead of tetra-cell technology, which in short terms is even more better than the one Xiaomi uses in their Mi Note 10. Huawei is also partnered with Sony for the custom tailored camera sensor to use in the Huawei P40 Pro. Oppo will also use the custom sensor from Sony in the Oppo Find X2. And just like every other brand, OnePlus is also partnered with Sony to build a custom 60 megapixel sensor to use in the OnePlus 8 Pro. We are not sure if that sensor only be inside of the OnePlus 8 Pro or the regular OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Lite will also get this sensor. Now what is going to be the real benefit of using this custom sensor? So while developing the custom sensor for OnePlus, Sony has to make sure that this sensor can meet the requirements of OnePlus, which means that OnePlus knows how their custom sensor will work, what are the capabilities of this sensor, so maybe they design their algorithm, camera algorithm by that way so that we can get full potential of that custom sensor. Also, the OnePlus 8 Lite has been leaked by a CEO of OnePlus himself. Yes, they leaked it so that people can start talking about that phone. This means it's not an OPSI by any means. So looking at the design, it is a very similar design what only showed, but this time it has triple cameras rather than the dual one. The main camera hole is looking really big in this prototype unit, so maybe it could also have a custom 60 megapixel sensor, but I don't think. Maybe it could have a 48 megapixel sensor, but this time with better, softer algorithm. Also, OnePlus has scheduled an event in Shenzhen where they're gonna unveil the new technologies in the screen, maybe an under display camera technology, but I think they'll just detail the screen what they're gonna use in the OnePlus 8 Pro 120Hz punch hole display. So yeah, that's all on the OnePlus right now. Hope you enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with every single leak regarding OnePlus. And yeah, see you in the next one.